Spinnaker Online Training. Introduction to Spinnaker, Getting Started. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting started with Spinnaker. Installation. You can install Spinnaker either using Halyard or Helm charts, depending on your preference and environment. Halyard is a command-line utility for configuring, installing, and updating Spinnaker, while Helm charts provide a way to deploy Spinnaker on Kubernetes clusters. Configuration. After installation, you need to configure Spinnaker to connect to your cloud providers and set up authentication. Spinnaker supports various cloud providers such as AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Microsoft Azure, and Kubernetes. Creating applications. In Spinnaker, applications are logical groupings of deployment pipelines and infrastructure resources. You can create applications based on your project or service. Defining pipelines. Pipelines in Spinnaker define the deployment process for your applications. You can create pipelines using the Pipeline DSL, domain-specific language, or the Visual Pipeline Builder. Pipelines typically include stages for building, testing, and deploying your application. Configuring triggers. Triggers are events that automatically start pipeline executions. Spinnaker supports various triggers such as Git events, Docker image updates, and Jenkins job completions. You can configure triggers to automate your deployment process based on specific events. Deployment strategies. Spinnaker offers different deployment strategies such as rolling updates, red-black deployments, and canary deployments. You can choose the appropriate strategy based on your application requirements and business needs. Monitoring and rollbacks. Spinnaker provides built-in monitoring and rollback capabilities to track the status of deployments and roll back to previous versions in case of issues or failures. Integration with other tools. Spinnaker integrates with various tools and services such as Jenkins, GitHub, Docker Registry, and monitoring solutions like Prometheus and Datadog. You can leverage these integrations to enhance your deployment pipelines and workflows. Scaling and high availability. For production environments, it's essential to configure Spinnaker for scalability and high availability. You can deploy Spinnaker across multiple availability zones or regions to ensure resilience and fault tolerance. Continuous improvement. Finally, embrace a culture of continuous improvement by regularly reviewing and refining your deployment pipelines based on feedback and performance metrics. Understanding the basics of Spinnaker. Spinnaker is an open-source, multi-cloud continuous delivery platform originally developed by Netflix and now widely used by various organizations. It aims to simplify the process of deploying and managing applications across multiple cloud environments. Here's an overview of the basics. Continuous delivery. CD Spinnaker facilitates continuous delivery, which is a software engineering approach in which teams produce software in short cycles, ensuring that the software can be reliably released at any time. This allows for faster, more frequent releases with fewer errors. Multi-cloud deployment. Spinnaker supports deployment to multiple cloud providers, including AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Microsoft Azure, and Kubernetes. This enables organizations to adopt a multi-cloud strategy, avoiding vendor lock-in and leveraging the strengths of different cloud providers. Pipeline orchestration. Central to Spinnaker is the concept of pipelines, which are series of automated stages that define the steps involved in deploying and managing applications. Pipelines can include stages such as building, testing, deploying, and verifying applications. Deployment strategies. Spinnaker supports various deployment strategies, including rolling updates, blue-green deployments, canary deployments, and more. These strategies allow teams to safely deploy changes to production environments with minimal risk and downtime. Integration with CI/CD tools. Spinnaker integrates with popular continuous integration (CI) tools such as Jenkins, Travis CI, and Circle CI. This allows teams to automate the process of building, testing, and deploying applications using their existing CI workflows. Visibility and auditing. Spinnaker provides visibility into the status of deployments across different environments through its user interface and APIs. It also offers auditing capabilities, allowing teams to track changes made to pipelines and deployments over time. Scalability and reliability. Spinnaker is designed to be highly scalable and reliable, capable of handling deployments at large-scale enterprises with complex infrastructures. It supports features such as automated rollbacks and can recover from failures gracefully. Setting up your first Spinnaker environment. System requirements. Spinnaker can be resource-intensive, so ensure that your infrastructure meets the minimum requirements. You'll need a Kubernetes cluster or VMs to run Spinnaker. Installation method. There are multiple ways to install Spinnaker, including using Halyard, Helm charts, or automated scripts. Choose the method that best fits your environment and expertise level. If you're using Kubernetes, Helm charts are a popular choice. You can use the official Helm charts provided by the Spinnaker community. Setting up Halyard, optional. Halyard is a CLI tool for configuring, deploying, and updating Spinnaker. If you choose to use Halyard, install it on your local machine or a server. Configure Spinnaker. Once Spinnaker is installed, you'll need to configure it to work with your cloud providers and any other services you plan to integrate. Configure authentication, storage, and other settings according to your requirements. Integration with cloud providers. Spinnaker supports various cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud Platform, Azure, and Kubernetes. You'll need to set up service accounts or IAM roles with appropriate permissions for Spinnaker to interact with your cloud infrastructure. Pipeline creation. Pipelines in Spinnaker define the deployment process for your applications. Create pipelines tailored to your deployment needs, including stages like bake, deploy, manual judgment, etc. Start with a simple pipeline to deploy a sample application and gradually add complexity as you become more comfortable with Spinnaker. Deploying applications with Spinnaker, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Install Spinnaker. Choose deployment method. Spinnaker can be deployed on various cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, or using Kubernetes. Installation. Follow the official Spinnaker documentation for your chosen deployment method. Typically, it involves running scripts or using configuration tools like Halyard. Step 2. Configure Spinnaker. Authentication. Set up authentication for Spinnaker. You can use OAuth providers like Google or GitHub, or your organization's authentication system. Cloud provider configuration. Configure the cloud providers you intend to use, example AWS, GCP. Provide necessary credentials and permissions for Spinnaker to interact with these providers. Step 3. Define deployment pipelines. Create application. Define your application within Spinnaker. Define pipeline stages. Construct deployment pipelines by defining stages such as bake, building images, deploying to staging production, manual judgment, for human approval, etc. Configure triggers. Set triggers to automatically start pipelines based on events like code commits or image updates. Step 4. Integration. Source control. Integrate Spinnaker with your source control system, example GitHub, GitLab, to trigger deployments based on code changes. Artifact repositories. Integrate with artifact repositories, example Docker registry, for managing container images. Monitoring and logging. Configure integrations with monitoring and logging systems for observability during deployments. Step 5. Deployment. Run pipelines. Execute deployment pipelines manually or automatically based on defined triggers. Monitor deployment progress. Monitor deployment progress through the Spinnaker UI or CLI. Watch for any errors or warnings. Rollbacks. If needed, perform rollbacks using Spinnaker's rollback functionality. Step 6. Scale and optimization. Performance monitoring. Continuously monitor Spinnaker's performance and optimize pipelines for speed and efficiency. Feedback loop. Gather feedback from development and operations teams to improve deployment processes. Scale out. As your deployment needs grow, scale out Spinnaker by adding more resources or clusters. Spinnaker and cloud providers. An overview. Spinnaker is an open-source, multi-cloud continuous delivery platform developed by Netflix and later open-sourced. It's designed to help organizations deploy and manage applications across various cloud providers with ease and efficiency. Spinnaker abstracts away the differences between different cloud providers, allowing developers to focus on building and deploying applications rather than worrying about the nuances of each provider's deployment process. Here's an overview of how Spinnaker works with different cloud providers. Amazon Web Services. AWS Spinnaker offers extensive support for AWS services, including EC2, ECS, Lambda, S3 RDS, and more. It leverages AWS features such as auto-scaling groups and elastic load balancers for deployment strategies like Blue-Green and Canary deployments. Microsoft Azure. Spinnaker provides support for Azure services such as virtual machines, Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS, Azure App Service, and Azure Container Instances. It integrates with Azure's infrastructure and deployment services to facilitate seamless application deployment. Google Cloud Platform, GCP. GCP is well supported by Spinnaker, with features like Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE, Compute Engine, App Engine, and Cloud Functions. Spinnaker integrates with GCP's infrastructure services and enables automated deployments using deployment strategies like rolling updates. Kubernetes. Spinnaker has strong support for Kubernetes an open-source container orchestration platform. It allows users to manage Kubernetes resources, deploy containerized applications to Kubernetes clusters, and perform rolling updates and canary deployments with ease. OpenStack Spinnaker can be integrated with OpenStack-based clouds, enabling users to deploy applications to OpenStack environments. While support for OpenStack is not as extensive as for the major cloud providers, Spinnaker can still be used to manage deployments in OpenStack environments. Securing your Spinnaker deployment. Authentication and authorization. Utilize strong authentication mechanisms like OAuth, LDAP, or SAML to ensure only authorized users have access. Implement role-based access control, RBAC, to manage permissions effectively. Transport layer security, TLS encrypt communication between Spinnaker components using TLS certificates. This prevents data interception and tampering. Secrets management. Avoid hard-coding sensitive information such as API keys, passwords, or tokens in configuration files. Utilize secure secret management tools like Vault or AWS Secrets Manager. Network security. Restrict access to Spinnaker's endpoints using firewalls and network policies. Consider using VPNs or IP whitelisting to limit access further. Container security. Ensure Docker images used by Spinnaker are scanned for vulnerabilities regularly. Employ container runtime security tools to detect and mitigate potential threats. Audit logging. Enable comprehensive audit logging to track user activities, API calls, and system events. This helps in identifying and investigating security incidents. Continuous monitoring. Implement monitoring and alerting mechanisms to detect unusual activities or security breaches in real time. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or Datadog can be useful here. Regular updates and patching. Keep Spinnaker and its dependencies up to date with the latest security patches and updates. This helps in mitigating known vulnerabilities. Secure configuration. Follow security best practices while configuring Spinnaker components. Disable unnecessary features, secure default configurations, and apply least privilege principles. Security training and awareness. Educate your team about security best practices and potential threats. Regular training sessions can help in fostering a security-conscious culture. Third-party integrations. If integrating Spinnaker with other tools or services, ensure they adhere to security standards and best practices. Review their security documentation and perform thorough assessments. Tips for effective Spinnaker usage. Start with a clear deployment strategy. Before diving into Spinnaker, have a clear understanding of your deployment process and requirements. Determine which environments you need, example, development, staging, production, and how you want to manage your deployments. Infrastructure as code. IAC leverage infrastructure as code tools like Terraform or AWS CloudFormation to define your infrastructure. Spinnaker can work seamlessly with these tools to provision and manage resources as part of your deployment pipelines. Define pipelines. Create pipelines in Spinnaker to automate your deployment process. Define stages for building, testing, and deploying your applications. Use manual judgments and automated triggers to control the flow of the pipeline. Artifact management. Utilize Spinnaker's artifact management capabilities to store and version your application artifacts. This ensures consistency and traceability across deployments. Deployment strategies. Spinnaker supports various deployment strategies such as blue-green, rolling updates, canary deployments, etc. Choose the strategy that best suits your application and business requirements. Monitoring and rollback. Set up monitoring for your deployments to track performance and detect issues. Spinnaker integrates with monitoring tools like Prometheus and Datadog. Define automated rollback policies to revert deployments if anomalies are detected. Security. Implement security best practices within Spinnaker. Use authentication and authorization mechanisms to control access to Spinnaker resources. Ensure that secrets and sensitive information are managed securely. Customization and extensibility. Spinnaker offers extensive customization and extensibility options. You can create custom stages, triggers, and notifications to tailor Spinnaker to your specific needs. Documentation and training. Invest in thorough documentation and training for your team. Spinnaker has a steep learning curve, and providing resources and support will help your team become proficient users. How does Spinnaker facilitate continuous delivery? Multi-cloud deployment. Spinnaker supports deployment across multiple cloud platforms such as AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Microsoft Azure, and Kubernetes. This flexibility allows teams to deploy applications consistently across different cloud environments. Automated pipelines. Spinnaker enables the creation of automated delivery pipelines that orchestrate the entire deployment process, from building the application to deploying it to the target environment. Pipelines can include stages for testing, verification, and promotion through various deployment environments, such as development, staging, and production. Integration with CI/CD tools. Spinnaker integrates seamlessly with popular continuous integration (CI) tools like Jenkins, Travis CI, and Circle CI. It can trigger deployment pipelines automatically when new code is pushed or changes are made to the codebase. Deployment strategies. Spinnaker supports various deployment strategies, including rolling updates, blue-green deployments, canary deployments, and red-black deployments. This allows teams to choose the most suitable strategy for their applications and perform safe, controlled deployments with minimal downtime and risk. Automated rollbacks. In case of deployment failures or performance issues, Spinnaker provides automated rollback capabilities, allowing teams to quickly revert to the previous stable version of the application. Visibility and monitoring. Spinnaker offers comprehensive visibility into the deployment process through its user interface and integrations with monitoring tools like Prometheus and Stackdriver. This allows teams to track the status of deployments, monitor performance metrics, and troubleshoot issues effectively. What are the key components of Spinnaker? Cloud providers. Spinnaker supports various cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Microsoft Azure, Kubernetes, and more. Each provider has specific integrations and plugins within Spinnaker. Application management. Spinnaker allows you to define applications, manage their configurations, and track their deployment pipelines. It provides a clear view of application health and status across environments. Pipelines define the process of deploying an application. They consist of stages, which represent tasks like building, testing, and deploying artifacts. Pipelines can be configured to trigger automatically or manually. Stages are the building blocks of pipelines and represent a single task or action. Examples include bake, creating machine images, deploying artifacts, manual judgment, waiting for manual approval, etc. Deployment strategies. Spinnaker supports various deployment strategies such as rolling updates, blue-green deployments, canary deployments, etc. These strategies enable safe and controlled deployments with minimal downtime. Artifacts. Artifacts are the deployable units such as Docker images, Debian packages, jar files, etc. Spinnaker integrates with artifact repositories like Docker Registry, Google Container Registry, Maven Central, etc. Notifications and triggers. Spinnaker allows you to configure notifications and triggers for pipeline events. Notifications can be sent via email, Slack, or other channels. Triggers enable pipelines to automatically start based on external events. CloudDriver. CloudDriver is Spinnaker's core service responsible for interacting with cloud providers. It abstracts the differences between various cloud platforms and provides a unified interface for managing resources. Front 50. Front 50 is Spinnaker's persistent storage service. It stores application configurations, pipeline definitions, and other metadata. Deck is Spinnaker's web-based user interface. It provides a graphical interface for interacting with Spinnaker, creating pipelines, viewing application status, and managing deployments. How does Spinnaker integrate with different cloud providers? Spinnaker is a powerful continuous delivery platform that integrates seamlessly with various cloud providers, enabling automated deployment pipelines across multi-cloud environments. Here's how Spinnaker integrates with different cloud providers. Amazon Web Services, AWS. Spinnaker offers native support for AWS services like EC2, S3 Lambda, ECS, EKS, etc. It leverages AWS APIs for provisioning and managing resources. Integrates with AWS IAM, Identity and Access Management, for secure authentication and authorization. Supports AWS-specific deployment strategies like blue-green and canary deployments. Microsoft Azure. Spinnaker supports Azure services like virtual machines, Azure Container Service, AKS, Azure App Service, Azure Blob Storage, etc. Utilizes Azure Resource Manager, ARM, APIs for resource provisioning and management. Integrates with Azure Active Directory, AAD, for authentication and authorization. Provides deployment strategies tailored for Azure environments. Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Spinnaker integrates with GCP services such as Google Compute Engine, Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE, Cloud Storage, etc. Uses Google Cloud APIs for resource management and deployment. Supports Google Cloud IAM for access control. Offers deployment strategies optimized for GCP infrastructure. What are the challenges in implementing Spinnaker? Complexity. Spinnaker is a comprehensive tool with many features and integrations, which can make it complex to set up and configure correctly, especially for teams unfamiliar with its architecture. Learning curve. Teams need to invest time and resources into understanding Spinnaker's concepts, terminology, and workflows, which can be steep for those new to the platform. Infrastructure requirements. Spinnaker requires certain infrastructure components, such as Kubernetes, AWS, or GCE, which might not align with existing infrastructure or may require additional setup. Integration challenges. Integrating Spinnaker with existing CI/CD pipelines, version control systems, and other tools in the development ecosystem can be challenging and may require custom configurations. Security concerns. Ensuring the security of pipelines, access controls, and sensitive data within Spinnaker requires careful attention and configuration. Scalability. As the number of deployments and pipelines grows, ensuring that Spinnaker scales efficiently to handle the load can be a challenge, requiring thoughtful architecture and resource allocation. Maintenance and upgrades. Like any software platform, Spinnaker requires regular maintenance and updates to stay secure and functional. Managing these updates while minimizing disruptions to ongoing development can be challenging. Cultural shift. Adopting Spinnaker often requires a cultural shift towards DevOps practices, collaboration, and automation, which can face resistance within organizations accustomed to traditional development and deployment processes. Documentation and support. While Spinnaker has extensive documentation and a supportive community, finding relevant information and troubleshooting issues can still be challenging, particularly for less common configurations or edge cases. How can Spinnaker enhance release management processes? Automated deployment. Spinnaker automates the deployment process, allowing teams to deploy software reliably and consistently across different environments such as development, testing, staging, and production. This automation reduces the risk of human error and accelerates the release cycle. Multi-cloud support. Spinnaker supports deployment to multiple cloud platforms such as AWS, Google Cloud Platform, Azure, and Kubernetes, enabling teams to adopt a multi-cloud strategy without being locked into a single provider. This flexibility is crucial for modern applications that require scalability and redundancy across different cloud environments. Deployment strategies. Spinnaker offers various deployment strategies such as blue-green deployments, canary deployments, rolling deployments, and red-black deployments. These strategies allow teams to minimize downtime, test new features in production with minimal risk, and roll back changes quickly if issues arise. Pipeline orchestration. Spinnaker provides a powerful pipeline orchestration engine that allows teams to define complex deployment workflows consisting of multiple stages such as building, testing, deploying, and verifying. This capability enables teams to automate the entire release process from code commit to production deployment. Visibility and control. Spinnaker provides real-time visibility into the status of deployments across different environments through its intuitive user interface and dashboards. Teams can monitor deployment progress, track metrics such as deployment success rate and mean time to recovery, MTTR, and troubleshoot issues quickly. Integration with CI/CD tools. Spinnaker integrates seamlessly with popular CI/CD tools such as Jenkins, Travis CI, and Circle CI, allowing teams to leverage their existing CI/CD pipelines while benefiting from Spinnaker's advanced deployment capabilities. What monitoring and metrics does Spinnaker provide? Spinnaker is a powerful continuous delivery platform that offers extensive monitoring and metrics capabilities to ensure efficient and reliable software deployment. Some of the key monitoring and metrics features provided by Spinnaker include Deployment Health Checks. Spinnaker monitors the health of deployments in real time, providing insights into the status of each deployment stage. This includes tracking deployment progress, identifying failed or stalled deployments, and alerting users to any issues that may arise during the deployment process. Infrastructure metrics. Spinnaker collects and displays metrics related to the underlying infrastructure, such as CPU usage, memory usage, disk I/O, and network traffic. These metrics help users monitor the performance and utilization of their infrastructure resources and identify potential bottlenecks or resource constraints. Application metrics. Spinnaker integrates with monitoring systems like Prometheus, Datadog, and Stackdriver to collect application-level metrics such as request latency, error rates, throughput, and custom business metrics. These metrics provide valuable insights into the performance and behavior of deployed applications, helping users identify and troubleshoot issues more effectively. Deployment metrics. Spinnaker tracks various metrics related to deployments, including deployment frequency, lead time, change failure rate, and mean time to recovery, MTTR. These metrics help teams measure the efficiency and effectiveness of their deployment processes and identify areas for improvement. Custom metrics dashboards. Spinnaker allows users to create custom dashboards to visualize and analyze metrics relevant to their specific use cases and workflows. Users can configure these dashboards to display metrics from different sources and customize the layout and visualization options to suit their preferences. Alerting and notifications. Spinnaker supports integration with alerting and notification systems such as PagerDuty, Slack, and email. Users can configure alerts based on predefined thresholds or custom conditions and receive notifications when certain metrics exceed specified thresholds or when deployments encounter errors or failures. What are some real-world use cases of Spinnaker? Spinnaker is a powerful open-source continuous delivery platform used primarily for deploying and managing applications across various cloud environments. Here are some real-world use cases where Spinnaker shines. Multi-cloud deployment. Spinnaker supports deployment to multiple cloud providers such as AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Microsoft Azure, and Kubernetes. This is beneficial for organizations looking to leverage different cloud services without being locked into a single provider. Automated deployment pipelines. Spinnaker enables the creation of complex deployment pipelines with stages for building, testing, and deploying applications. These pipelines can be automated to streamline the deployment process, reducing manual intervention and ensuring consistency across deployments. Blue-green deployments. Blue-green deployments involve running to identical production environments, one active, blue, and one inactive, green. Spinnaker simplifies blue-green deployments by automating the process of switching traffic from one environment to another, allowing for zero downtime deployments and easy rollback in case of issues. Canary deployments involve gradually rolling out a new version of an application to a subset of users to minimize risk. Spinnaker supports canary deployments by allowing users to define metrics and thresholds for evaluating the performance of the new version before promoting it to the entire user base. Immutable infrastructure. Spinnaker promotes the use of immutable infrastructure, where infrastructure components are treated as disposable and replaced rather than updated in place. This approach enhances reliability and scalability by ensuring that deployments are consistent and predictable. Deployment orchestration. Spinnaker provides a centralized platform for managing deployments across different teams and environments. It offers features such as role-based access control, RBAC, audit logging, and integration with collaboration tools like Slack, making it easier to coordinate deployments in large organizations. Automated rollback. In case of deployment failures or issues, Spinnaker can automatically roll back to the previous version of the application, reducing downtime and minimizing the impact on users. Integration with CI/CD tools. Spinnaker integrates seamlessly with popular CI/CD tools such as Jenkins, Travis CI, and Circle CI, allowing organizations to leverage their existing CI/CD pipelines while adding advanced deployment capabilities. Why choose ProExcellency for Spinnaker online training? Expertise. ProExcellency employs experienced trainers who are experts in Spinnaker and have hands-on experience with its implementation in various projects. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training program covers all aspects of Spinnaker, from basic concepts to advanced topics, ensuring that participants gain a thorough understanding of the platform. Interactive learning. ProExcellency's online training is interactive, with live sessions, practical exercises, and Q&A sessions, enabling participants to engage with the material and ask questions in real time. Flexible schedule. The training schedule is designed to accommodate participants from different time zones, allowing them to attend sessions at convenient times. Practical experience. ProExcellency provides hands-on experience with Spinnaker through lab exercises and real-world projects, allowing participants to apply their learning in practical scenarios. Certification. Upon completion of the training program, participants receive a certification from ProExcellency, which enhances their credibility and career prospects in the field of DevOps and continuous delivery. Thank you.